Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another wonderful evening of easy listening with the Rock-afire Explosion.
Rolling, 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 rolling on the river, rolling on the river, rolling, 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 rolling on the river. Yeah. Nice intro, Rob. But we don't dare do nothing nice and easy right here. Big job in the city, working wonderland every night and day. But I never lost the way to see. Worry about the way that things might have been. Big wheels keep on turning, proud they keep on burning. Oh yeah, rolling, yeah, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. Rolling, yeah, rolling, yeah, rolling on the river. Hey, why don't we have a dance contest?
Yeah, and it means everybody in this building right now is in the dance contest whether you sit on stage.
Or you could be chewing food in time.
Or tapping your butt.
All right, so here's where the official festivities begin. Can I get a humma-da-bumba?
Yes, we're just having fun. There's something strange in the neighborhood. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! There's something weird and it don't look good. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters!
The judges are watching. The mirror ball is spinning. And you are dancing like a racer.
Oh, I bet you wonder how I knew. I don't plan to make me blue. Someone got you know before. You guy, you know I love you more. It took me by surprise, I must say. When I found out yesterday, you know I heard it in the grapevine. Not much longer would you be mine. Yeah, I heard it in the grapevine. And I'm just about to lose my mind. Yeah. Well, I have several relatives in today's dance contest, and I'm interested in who won and what are the prizes, by the way. Well, I don't know. I wasn't the judge. I don't know what the prize.
sir. I was too busy dancing.
Who's the judge? I'm not the judge. I was too busy watching the races. How about Billy Bob? Billy Bob?
You know, if they want me to be the judge, I'd have to say everybody won. Well, I don't think there's any prizes, but you do get to go home and tell everybody you won the dance contest. So let's face it,